DJI is back in action, and this time they're doubling down with not one but two electrifying new devices now officially FCC certified. The DJI Neo 2 drone and the Osmo Mobile 8 gimbal are on deck. If 2025 felt already jam-packed for camera tech, get ready for liftoff. If you're into casual drone flights, cinematic slow mo of your dog doing zoom eyes, or full-blown travel vlogging, this is the moment. The DJI Neo 2 is a compact powerhouse, rocking cinematic drone vibes with drone vlogger synergy. Now FCC cleared for sale in the US, it's going from rumor to real, like the next-gen Avidoth 3's sidekick. Cute, but don't underestimate it. This little beast packs serious energy. This Neo 2 has surfaced in public testing this spring, casually chilling next to other prototypes. But here's the kicker, under the hood is an 11.6 Wh battery, about 10.7% more capacity than the original DJI Neo, which already managed roughly 18 minutes of flight. More means more airtime, longer cinematic flyovers, enhanced FPV chases, and your fantasy mountain reveal shot without emergency splash landings. Right? Flight endurance isn't officially confirmed yet, DJI has us hanging, but envision buttery smooth cinematic sweeps, drone gimbal pairs capturing scenic chases, or that last cinematic drop shot before battery low appears and the drone auto-lands in a lake. Let's be real, I'm holding my breath. Speaking of pricing, the original Neo came in around $289 on Amazon. If DJI keeps Neo 2 near that threshold, this thing will disappear off shelves faster than a drone in boost mode. That price-performance ratio is fire. Now shift your focus to mobile creators chasing smooth cinematic stabilization. Osmo Mobile 8 just got FCC certification too. DJI is on a sprint release cycle. Osmo Mobile 7 and 7P dropped less than 12 months ago, and already they're moving to the next gen. My inner gear nerd is doing laps. Though full specs and pricing are still tightly under wraps, we can anticipate enhanced AI tracking, marketing-grade stabilization, and next-level pet face tracking, because turning your cat into a micro-celebrity deserves automation. Imagine, smooth like butter, no shake, no fuss. If you've ever tried to capture sweeping pans with your phone and ended up looking like a blender strapped to a GoPro, the Osmo Mobile 8 should be your savior. Ultra-precise stabilization, active tracking on board, and smart motion rendering equal content creator gold. DJI's release pace right now? Full throttle. They're carving the playbook on high-performance content rig design. Neo 2 and Osmo Mobile 8 are just the opening acts in DJI's 2025 innovation buffet. But wait, DJI is cooking up something even more next level, their first 360 degrees action camera, aiming straight for the crown in the Insta360 X5 space. Not a toe dip, they're diving in with goggles on. Until then, expect leaks, teasers, and community anticipation like a Netflix cliffhanger. So what's the summary? DJI's not releasing gadgets, they're launching dreams. Whether it's soaring with Neo 2, mastering smooth content vlogging with the Osmo Mobile 8, or prepping for the future with their 360 degrees cam, DJI is redefining creator tech fast. Let's break down the rumored specs of DJI's Osmo 360 degrees flagship shoot tool, a 1-inch CMOS sensor, native 8K full spherical video recording, and optimized cinematic high-resolution workflows, not upscaled weirdness. It's like strapping a Ferrari engine to a skateboard of 360 filming, real horsepower, combined with ultra-wide field capture and slow-motion capability. This means 4K at 120 frames per second with 174 degrees FOV or smooth 5K at 60 frames per second, silky transitions, and 120MP still captures. Crop at 16x and still admire your nostril hair in focus. Add a 2.4 micrometers pixel pitch for rich low-light performance, and DJI's new Osmo Audio 2-channel mic system, though it works only with their new mics, so hold on to those cables. Interface and accessory compatibility? Compact, rugged, IPX4. Splash resistance, mag release base, electronic 360 degrees stabilization, support for existing action accessories. This 360 cam also introduces Horizon Steady 360, DJI's leveling wizard, skis, mountain flips, cartwheels, your footage stays level like gravity didn't exist. Add in gesture control and voice activation, start recording mid-snowboard. With a wave or shout. Yes, you might look a bit ridiculous in public, but content creators gotta hustle. Power-wise, about 100 minutes runtime at 8K 30 frames per second, with an optional battery extension adding up to 3 hours. That's insane endurance compared to many action cams. The display? A nifty 2-inch 314 by 556 touchscreen, small but clear and perfect for framing sphericals. Now pricing gets spicy. Expected list price around $759 Australian dollars. That undercuts the Insta360 X5, and packs more next-gen features. DJI is not just competing, they're disrupting with style. This year, gear lovers, charge everything, clean your lenses, organize your script shots, and carve shelf space. DJI is storming the creator gear arena with cinematic drone tech, ultra-smooth gimbal tech, and immersive 360 content wizardry. DJI is riding high on innovation velocity. With improved battery life, cleaner footage, smarter tracking, and all-in-one filming ecosystems, they've become the definitive name in high-res, creator-friendly camera tech. So if you're scaling up your vlogging rig, pushing cinematic, slow-mo flights, or building an immersive content ecosystem, the Neo 2, Osmo Mobile 8, and that killer 360 cam should be on your radar. DJI is raising the bar on creator tools, drone gimbals, and next-level sensors, others are chasing.